Hello, I'm a physiologist for slalom alpine skiing. There are two different kinds of exercises in this sport, anaerobic and aerobic. Anaerobic exercise is an intense exercise that builds muscles through tension. Examples of this exercise are heavyweight training, sprinting, and jumping. Aerobic exercise is an intense exercise that stimulates and strengthens the heart and lungs. Examples of this exercise are jogging, rowing, swimming, and cycling. Slalom alpine skiing involves aerobic exercise because when you ski, it raises your heart rate, which strengthens your heart and lungs. It is also anaerobic exercise because when you ski, it depends on quick, intense, and coordinated moves. Your cardiovascular system is made up of 4 parts: heart, veins, capillaries, and arteries. Heart rate is the number of heartbeats occurring within a specific length of time. Stroke volume is the volume of blood pumped from the heart, the left ventricle, per beat. Cardiac output is the amount of blood pumped by the heart over a given time period. Blood pressure is the pressure of the blood against the inner walls of the blood vessels. Cardiac output changes when an athlete starts exercising. Cardiac output rises during exercise due to increased stroke volume and heart rate. When an athlete starts exercising, their blood flow through the blood vessels changes because your blood vessels dilate to allow for more blood to flow to your muscles. When you exercise, your body needs large amounts of oxygen, glucose, and acids to allow the muscles to contract. It is because of this need to bring in large amounts of materials and remove waste products that blood flow increases dramatically during exercise and why the blood vessels dilate to let more blood flow through and other materials. Your blood pressure changes when you exercise because there is an increase in the need of oxygen. Because of this, the heart beats with more force so that the blood is pushed in and out of the heart. Breathing changes when an athlete starts exercise because you need more oxygen for your muscles to move. The purpose of those changes are to get more oxygen to the muscles being used and more oxygen throughout your body. Many athletes, when they are exercising, have an adrenaline rush or when they are competing. An adrenaline rush is a sudden increase in the secretion of adrenaline from the adrenal glands. This happens when the brain communicates to the glands that there will be a need for a fight or flight response.